In this video I will present the dual channel EA. This expert advisor is meant to be used by the systematic traders, and at its core it uses the buy-sell engine proposed by Tom Basso in his webinar. You can watch him here on his website. Basically they are used as one, the Donchian channels and the Keltner channels, and the buy-sell engine logic is simple. Let's come to the chart. The price between the Donchian channels bands or the Keltner channel bands is considered noise, and once it breaks above or below with at least 1 pip, you have a buy-sell signal. The ingenuity of combining these two indicators in one is simply explainable by the fact that always a breakout will be taken in consideration, no matter above which band it crosses. So let's take this last trade. You can see the price crossed above the Donchian channel here, and buy order was placed. Here is the Keltner channel band, and also the stop loss is placed at the most favorable position, meaning the closest lower band to the entry point. In our case it was also this lower band of the Donchian channel. But here comes the magic part. The trail stop will use always the best level band. So in our case you can see this band which belongs to the Keltner channels. So with every candle the stop loss will be adjusted at the respective level, and until here this cross will be used the Keltner channel band level, and here because the lower band of the Donchian channel is at a better level, the stop loss will be adjusted according to this level. And you can see here this yellow line, and here is the stop loss. So I hope it's simple, but for more watch the webinar. And let's see the expert advisor menu. You can see it uses the same period for the Donchian channels, Keltner channels, and ATR calculations, and by default is 21. The Keltner channel will use an ATR multiplier of 2 to calculate the bands. Risk per trade is by default 1%. Each trade has its own magic number. By default the expert advisor has a 5 cap maximum number of lots, but you can place 20, 100 or the maximum allowed by the broker. And if you want to see the logs in the experts tab, you can set this critical logging as true. You have to trade as a trend follower, as a systematic trader, multiple instruments. You do not trade only one instrument. On daily time frame these values I set it for default 21 to 1% or less are good for trading. If you want to trade on other time frames, you will have to do backtests and adjust these values. So basically this is it. I invite you to test it, and if you like it, buy this expert advisor and leave a review.